What is up, believers? How's everyone doing? It's your boy Aman back at you with another video. Today we have the Anker wireless charger. This is a 15-watt charger that we're going to be unboxing, and we're going to be reviewing it, and we'll just kind of do like a first impressions. And also with this, I do have another unboxing, which is a 20-watt brick that's going to give you the fast charging capability on this charger. Here we go, guys, let's get this video started. So this does come with the charging puck and the wire. It does not come with the charging brick, so this is why I ordered a charging brick to come with it. Okay, and I did order that 20-watt charging brick from Anker, which was also a great deal. I believe that was a $13 deal on Amazon right now. It's the holidays, guys, so you can pick up stuff real cheap right now. I mean, think about it. This versus a new wireless charger from Apple, which is the MagSafe. The MagSafe is $39.99, 40 bucks, right? And you still don't get the charging brick, which is another 30 bucks. So you're spending a lot of money on the charger. And you know what? This is faster, probably, most likely, than that. And even if it's not, even if it's at the same capacity, who cares? This is just better, and you save money. You know what? You could buy two of these for the same price that you're buying one of those. And if you have a charging brick, you don't need a charging brick. You can just use one that you have around the house. Okay, you can use any one. Just make sure if you want fast charging, you have to get the fast charging brick also. Okay, so here we go. You got the charging brick right here. You can take a look. We don't need any of that information. It just basically tells you how to use it and safety features and all that kind of stuff. All right, so let's open this bad boy up and take a look what we got inside. It's really nice. Very small, minimum. I like that. Okay, it's IQ3. I like that a lot. All right, it's fast charging. You know what? Look at how small that is. Okay, it doesn't take up too much space. That opens and closes just like that. In case you don't want to use it, you can pack it and take it away, and it won't damage the actual product. So let's plug this in to the actual charging brick, and we'll take a look how this charger actually works. Okay, look at how small that is. If you guys can see my coffee coaster, this is smaller than my coffee coaster. Okay, my coffee coaster is actually thicker than this, just to give you guys a little comparison between the two. All right, here we go. Let's plug that in. There we go. Like that, and then you guys will be able to see that this does have the blue LED on there, which is really nice, but I feel like it should have been a little bit stronger. It should have been brighter. You should have been able to see it a lot easier, but it's okay. You know what? Sometimes it is what it is. For about $25 total for the brick and the charger, it's not a bad deal. Look at how small that is, guys. I mean, you can charge those AirPod Pros on there if you want. Anything that has wireless capability, you can basically put it right on top of this. You can charge it. Now, your Apple Watch will not charge on this. I actually did try that. Just because the Apple Watch has an indentation on the charger, and it has to fit in there perfectly. Okay, so the Apple Watch will not work on this, but basically anything else. Okay, if you guys have gotten value from this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me. This was a quick video on showing you guys this charger. Look at how thin that thing is. Beautiful. Okay, if you guys want, I'll leave a link down below. Thank you for watching. I love all of you. I love all the believers. If you guys like this video, I have more videos you guys can check out. If you guys are interested, go ahead and go to my channel and subscribe, and you can watch all the videos. Take care.